In number 3, it asks us to compare situation number 3 and situation number 4. What similarities do you see and what differences do you notice? Some similarities from 3 and 4. Number 1, they are both exponential functions. So they're both exponential functions. You can think about that as geometric, but remember, if the points are connected, it is not going to be a geometric sequence because it's not a sequence anymore. But geometric and exponential have the same similar curve. Number 2, they both have a constant ratio, so we're multiplying by the same number each time. And number 3, they both have explicit equations. Some differences that you might notice. Number 1, number 3 is increasing while number 4 is decreasing. So number 3 is going up from left to right. Number 4 is going down from left to right. The second one, number 3, the points on the graph are not connected, so we call that discrete. While number 4, the points are connected, which is continuous. So we have a discrete function versus a continuous function. The next one, we could say number 3 has a recursive equation and number 4 doesn't. Remember, number 3, the points are not connected, so we can think of that as a sequence. Sequences do have recursive equations. However, number 4 is a continuous function. It's connected, which means it is not a sequence anymore, so we cannot have a recursive equation for that. And then finally, they both use different variables, might be a difference that you noticed.